ever wondered why traditional cross-border payments are such a headache? They're often mired in high fees, sluggish transaction times, and the unavoidable need for multiple intermediaries. Each step in the chain not only adds to the cost, but also to the time it takes for your money to reach its destination. It's a cumbersome process that leaves many of us questioning, surely there has to be a better way. What if we told you that a solution already exists in the world of blockchain technology? Enter Stellar, a game changer in the world of cross-border transactions. Think of Stellar as the courier service of the digital world, but one that's fast, efficient, and cost-effective. It's a decentralized platform that operates on the blockchain, the technology that's transforming how we think about financial transactions. Stellar's mission is simple: to make international transactions swift, secure, and affordable. But what makes Stellar stand out? It's the platform's native cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen, or XLM for short. This isn't just another digital coin. It's the fuel that powers Stellar's network, enabling transactions to take place seamlessly across borders. It's the digital equivalent of a global currency, but without the usual complications of exchange rates and bank charges. Stellar is more than just a platform. It's a revolution in how we handle money, breaking down barriers and making the world a little bit smaller. So how exactly does Stellar manage to solve the problems we mentioned earlier? Stellar operates in a unique and efficient way. Imagine a network of independent servers spread across the globe, each one working round the clock to validate transactions. That's Stellar for you. Instead of relying on one central authority, Stellar's transactions are confirmed by multiple servers. This results in faster and cheaper transactions, a win-win for all. Now here's where it gets even better. Stellar doesn't need intermediaries. Say goodbye to the middlemen, who often slow down the process and ramp up costs. Stellar's transactions are direct, peer-to-peer, making it a more efficient system. So you might be wondering, but what impact does all of this have on cross-border payments? Stellar is revolutionizing cross-border payments. Imagine a world where sending money across borders is as easy as sending a text message. That's the reality Stellar is creating. By leveraging blockchain technology, Stellar reduces the costs associated with traditional cross-border payments. No more hefty fees, no more waiting for days on end. Money can now flow freely, quickly, and at a fraction of the cost. But the benefits don't stop there. Stellar also increases accessibility, making it possible for unbanked individuals in remote parts of the world to participate in the global economy. It's an inclusive financial system, one that breaks down barriers and fosters economic growth. Stellar is not just a solution, it's the future of cross-border transactions.